Combining stylish, high-end finishes with an ultra-convenient location, this home is the quintessential of Lower North Shore living. My name's Titan Davis. Welcome back to another Pello property. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you're immediately struck with beautiful engineered floorboards as well as an abundance of natural sunlight. The kitchen is the absolute heart of the home, featuring marble stone benchtop, preferred gas cooking and Miele appliances throughout. The chef's kitchen overlooks the dining and living space, which connects perfectly to the outdoor terrace, soaking in a tranquil outlook and amazing northwestern sun. Something that is an absolute standout feature that the current owners have loved about this property, aside from the exquisite finishes found throughout every inch of the home, has to be this common rooftop terrace. It's shared amongst only 4 of the owners, and it's a short stroll from the front door of the unit to enjoy this expansive, entertaining terrace, perfect for all year round entertaining. The architects have nailed the brief when it comes to the accommodation. The bedroom is well lit and features loads of storage options. The bathroom for this property is one of the best I've seen in a 1-bedroom apartment, given its size, finish, and beautiful skylight. Other features include secure parking, large storage cage, double glazed windows, and Euro laundry. The location for this property is world class. We're only footsteps away from Wollstonecraft Railway, a short stroll to Crow's Nest Village, offering the metro along with the best of cafes and restaurants on the North Shore. After walking you through this home, I know if you're looking for a high-end turnkey apartment to call home, this one ticks all the boxes. If there's any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next inspection.